So if you have a house that you're thinking about selling, there's three main ways to sell your house. Of course, you can sell it with a realtor, which is the way that everybody knows, and that has its own advantages and disadvantages. Number two, you could sell it for sale by owner, which has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Or the third way is to sell to a third party like us, who's usually an investor. Now, if you're going to sell with a realtor, you're hoping that you're going to get top dollar and make it super convenient, but it may not be fast. If you're going to sell it for sale by owner, it's just about the same. You're hoping to get top dollar, but it's probably not going to be the fastest solution. And if you're aiming to sell it to a third party like us, an investor, typically we're going to make it very easy and convenient, and we can make it fast if that's what you need. We can settle in 30 or maybe even 45 days, depending on your timeline, or we could even settle sooner if that's what your situation requires. Selling with an investor is one of the easiest ways that you can sell your house while still getting a fair price. We're going to pay all the closing costs. We're going to take all of the junk or possessions that's in the house that you don't want to clear out, and you don't need to make any repairs. So while there are many options out there to sell your house, if you're aiming for a fast sale or you're aiming for a really convenient sale, then please give us a call, because selling to an investor like Impact Home Team could be the way for you.